Bitcoin passes the 61K mark as crypto markets await US CPI rates. What's next? Bitcoin cryptocurrency last updated August 14, 2024 at 4:22 GMT3. Author Arslan Butt. About author Arslan Butt is a professional live webinar speaker and derivatives, cryptocurrency, forex, commodities, and indices analyst. He brings a broad range of skills to help beginners evaluate financial. Author profile. Share copied. Last updated August 14, 2024 at 4:22 GMT. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitcoin has recently crossed the $61,000 threshold, stirring renewed interest in its price trajectory as the market anticipates further movements driven by U.S. inflation data. The latest inflation figures, which matched expectations, have left Bitcoin in a tight trading range near $60,920, setting the stage for potential volatility. With the US dollar showing signs of weakening and Bitcoin forming a critical technical setup on the charts, traders are now closely watching key levels that could dictate the next significant move. As the cryptocurrency approaches the crucial $61,250 resistance level, Bitcoin price predictions are increasingly focused on whether it will break higher or succumb to downward pressure. US dollar weakens as inflation data meets expectations. Bitcoin remains range-bound. The US dollar weakened on Wednesday after the latest inflation data came in largely as expected, offering little surprise to markets but reinforcing the narrative of a cautious Federal Reserve. The core consumer price index CPI for July rose by 0.2% month over month. In line with forecasts and matching the previous month's increase, the overall CPI also ticked up by 0.2%, consistent with expectations, and a significant improvement from the 0.1 recorded in June. On a year-over-year basis, CPI eased slightly to 2.9%, just below the anticipated 3%, which matched the previous month's figure. Key points. Our core CPI increased by 0.2%, as expected and consistent with June's rise. CPI rose by 0.2%, aligning with forecasts and reversing the 0.1% decline in June. CPI slipped slightly to 2.9%, just under the forecasted 3%, which matched the previous reading. Dollar weakness. The slight softening of the dollar post-CPI release could have provided a tailwind for Bitcoin, but the cryptocurrency remains largely range-bound near $60,000. As markets digest this latest inflation report, Bitcoin remains in a holding pattern. The broader market is awaiting clearer indicators that could trigger a more decisive move. Bitcoin nears critical breakout point at $61,000. What's next? Bitcoin BTC USD is currently trading at around $60,920, showing a critical technical setup on the 4-hour chart. The price has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern which often precedes a breakout. The key resistance level to watch is $61,250, while immediate support is just below $60,500. This narrow range indicates that Bitcoin is likely to make a significant move soon, either breaking above resistance or dropping below support. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA is trending upward, which adds to the bullish sentiment. Additionally, the relative strength index RSI is holding steady above 50, suggesting that there's still bullish momentum in the market, but not to the extent of being overbought. This means that Bitcoin has room to move higher if it can break through the $61,250 resistance level. If Bitcoin manages to break above $61,250, we could see it move toward the next resistance level, around $62,700. And on the downside, if it fails to hold above $60,500, the price could drop towards the next support at $59,000. Given the current setup, buying above $60,500 could be a strategic move, while a break below this level may indicate a need to reassess. You might also like Bitcoin price prediction 2024-2034 mega dice pre-sale nears final countdown, $1.71 million Cillian raised, price increase imminent. The mega dice pre-sale is rapidly approaching its final stage, having successfully raised over $1.71 million in funding. So far, 19 million of the allocated 28 million DICE tokens have been sold, reflecting the growing enthusiasm for this crypto-integrated iGaming platform within the evolving Web3 ecosystem. This pre-sales momentum highlights the increasing interest in the Gamblify sector, where Mega Dice is carving out a significant niche. The platform recently celebrated a milestone by surpassing 14,500 members in its Telegram super community. This thriving community is a hub for daily discussions about DICE, its various utilities, strategic partnerships, and offers essential technical support. Mega Dice revolutionizing the iGaming experience. Mega Dice stands out in the Gamblify industry by utilizing its DICE token to enrich the online gaming experience. Players can use DICE for gameplay, gain access to exclusive competitions, and participate in a loyalty program that offers generous rewards and VIP perks. Moreover, Mega Dice's strategic buyback and burn mechanism is designed to ensure token scarcity, potentially boosting its market value over time. With the pre-sale nearing its final hours and a price increase imminent, this is a crucial time for potential investors to get involved. Stay up to date with Mega Dice's latest developments by following their platforms on X, Twitter, and Telegram. Don't miss your chance to participate in the pre-sale before the price increases to $0.105266 per DICE token. Buy Mega Dice today. Follow us on Google News.